guys, welcome to the vlog. Yeah, you know how we do it. Yeah. Ghetto Garage episode 2.
Solder in the crack.
Gonna fix a Toyota 89.
88.
How much you gonna sell us for, Jesse? So you can tell my subscribers.
Yeah, quick, $2,000. I take 19.5. That's the lowest I go. Now I take 15 without
Dude,
camera.
you're boiling all the water in there.
15.
Dude, the radiator is gonna be like, it's about to blow up.
All right, it might blow.
It's a slight warning.
All right, leave it. Go.
Scrap the car in the scrap shop.
Now, good thing you stole this thing.
What's going on YouTube channel?
Well, too late now. Can't edit that out.
Disclaimer: he paid like $400 for it, so like he didn't actually steal it. So like, don't call like the feds on us. So yeah, thanks.
Except for the marijuana in the
It probably does.
maybe.
Did you buy some?
Did you guys check the seat cushions?
Sounds like a Rolls Royce, dude.
Like that?
You should show the camper man.
Okay, guys, bopping out.